So I put $100 in here. I took a few spins at $7.50 and I got the freaking super wheel. Come on, baby, let's go. What do we got? Hit the button. Come on, upgrade, upgrade, upgrade. This is the diamond upgrade, come on. No, no. All right, I'll take it. Dang it. Come on, full screen, full screen. Is there a full screen on this? Come on, come on. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. Come on, re-triggers, yes. Yes, come on. This could be pretty good. I'm actually really excited. I can't believe got the howler, you know, for the golden buzzsaw. There we go. Got a gold. Oh man. We need some help here. We're getting beat up a little bit. Come on, don't you do this. That's all right. Spend a few if you got to, but come back to us. Come on, hats, hats, hats. No way. No way. Unbelievable. Come on, keep it going. No way. There we go. There's something. All right, come on, come on, come on, one more. Yes. Keeping us alive. Come on, Huff and Puff. Come on. I knew it. I knew it. Oh, man. That's kind of not good. I mean, it's going to be all right, but it ain't what it should have been. But you never know. Alright. $36. Coin. There's 100 on the mini. Come on. Do something good. Coin. Hey, that's not bad. $500.
It's really good.
Yeah, I'll take that. Nice. Good job.